Short a capacitor by discharging it safely before you handle it to prevent shock or arc injury. Begin by confirming the circuit is powered off at the source and locked out if possible to ensure no accidental re-energizing. Use a meter to verify the capacitor voltage is present or depleted, and keep probes steady until you read 0 volts. If the meter shows voltage, plan to discharge. Choose a resistor rated for high energy dissipation, for example, a 2-watt, 10 kiloohm resistor for small capacitors, or a high wattage resistor for large units, and connect it across the capacitor terminals, using insulated leads to bleed the charge slowly and safely. If you do not have a resistor, use a screwdriver with a fully insulated handle to bridge the leads only as a last resort, touching the metal blade across terminals briefly while keeping your body and other tools clear. Always use one hand when possible and keep the other hand away from the circuit to reduce the risk of current passing through your chest. After discharging, verify with the meter again that the voltage is at or near 0 before touching anything, and leave a shorting jumper in place if you will be working on the component to prevent any incidental charge buildup. Common mistakes include touching terminals before confirming depletion, which risks shock. Avoid this by always measuring voltage first. Another frequent error is using only a screwdriver without grounding or verifying the discharge, which can cause sparks and damage. Instead, use a properly rated resistor to bleed charge, or use the screwdriver only when no other option exists and after taking extra distance and protective steps. People also forget to replace or remove temporary shorting straps after maintenance, which can cause faults later. Make a habit of marking or documenting any temporary jumpers and removing them when work is finished. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guidance that relates directly to safe handling and other home electrical tasks. We host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about best practices and contractor experiences.